Our next activity is called boiling water. The function W gives a temperature in degrees Fahrenheit of a pot of water on a stove T minutes after the stove is turned on. So again, the function gives you the temperature after the number of minutes. So now what we need to do is take turns with your partner to explain the meaning of the function in each situation. So W of 0 is 72. So that would just mean at 0 minutes, the temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. So now W of 5 is greater than W of 2. So that means the temperature after 5 minutes is greater than the temperature after 2 minutes. So now W of 10. So after 10 minutes, the temperature is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is boiling. So here, W of 12 equals W of 10. So that means 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, the temperature is still boiling. So uh, the temperature at 12 minutes and the temperature at 10 minutes are the same. So the temperature after 12 minutes equals the temperature at 10 minutes. So here, W of 15 is greater than W of 30. So the temperature after 15 minutes is greater than the temperature after 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, maybe they turned the stove off and the temperature cooled down. So here, W of 0 is less than W of 30. So the temperature after 0 minutes is less than the temperature after 30 minutes. So if all of the statements in the previous questions represent the situation, sketch a possible graph. So here we know W of 0 is 72. I'm assuming here is 75, right? So we just start off a little bit below that. So W of 5 is greater, but I know that W of 10 is exactly 212. So after 10 minutes, the water is boiling. 12 minutes are equal, so here it's 12 minutes, it's also boiling. W of 15 is going to be greater than W of 30. So I'm assuming you're not going to leave water boiling for like 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is have the temperature here. You're probably going to boil, like, let's say you're cooking pasta for 10 minutes. So I'm going to say from 10 to 20 minutes, it's probably going to stay boiling. And then you're going to turn that off and it's going to cool down, but probably not to 75 would be room temperature because the water would start off at the temperature of the room.